How and where to use Lysol Multi-purpose Cleaner to kill 99.9% of germs. This cleaner is a versatile disinfectant that works on a wide range of hard, non-porous surfaces, from kitchen counters and door handles to hardwood floors and light switches, to bathroom surfaces like sinks, tubs, and tile. Lysol Multi-purpose Cleaner is versatile enough to disinfect even when diluted. Dilute up to 1 part with every 5 parts of warm water. A 48-ounce bottle makes 1.8 gallons of disinfecting action. Apply the solution to fit your cleaning methods, not only with a sponge, cloth, or mop, but also by filling a spray bottle. Wipe or spray surface and let it remain wet for 6 minutes to disinfect. Help protect you and your family from germs daily with Lysol Multi-purpose Cleaner. Lysol, what it takes to protect.